Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best slow cookers this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. Instant Pot Duo Mini Slow Cooker. Instant Pot took the world by storm, revitalizing the need for a slow cooker in your kitchen. One of the top gifts in 2016, along with the gold medal earner for our extensive list. Instant Pot comes with a crazy amount of features, truly taking the place of 7 different small appliances. For one, you get programmable modes that work well with the long list of attachments you receive with your purchase. The auto warm setting kicks in after your initial cooking process, which you can set into motion with a 24-hour cooking delay feature. At this fantastic price, there's going to be a couple of glitches in the system. While the manufacturer is good at replacing or exchanging damaged or defective items, it's still an inconvenience either way. Users have run into issues with the seal being dodgy, and while it includes a drip tray feature, it's not among the best quality. You'll still have to clean around the bottom of the pot. Your interior cooking pot does come made of 304L stainless steel, making it simple to clean, and leaving no residue left behind by non-stick coatings. Instant Pot had to go up against a long list of competitors here. Based on the value and durability, it emerged victorious. One of the most popular, best slow cookers reviewed on Amazon. The best key features are: 304L grade stainless steel cooking pot. Comes with a volley of additional accessories. Up to 24-hour delay start feature. 2. Coracii 6-quart multifunctional slow cooker. Coracii's been on our radar for various electronics in the past, but this time they've brought us a slow cooker with some serious power. To get the skeletons out of the closet first, it's also a pressure cooker, but after the 4th level of pressure, it starts releasing steam and liquid through the seal on the lid. While this is marketed as more of a pressure cooker than anything else, based on that lack of function, it actually works twice as well as the perfect slow cooker. They mark this down to a super affordable price, rivaling much of the competition in the same area of the market. While you get a load of programmable features, you don't really get any attachments that make use of them. So you'll have to handle that on your own if you want to put this to its full potential. You get a delay cooking feature to put off cooking for up to 12 hours. Making it perfect to schedule for when you kick your shoes off after getting in the door. Thanks to the 3-ply stainless steel bottom, this is durable as hell, fitted to last for years upon years of use. The best key features are: delay cooking feature for up to 12 hours. 6 different pressure levels. 3-ply bottom stainless steel pot. 3. Hamilton Beach Programmable Slow Cooker. You've seen them all over the shelves of every department store. Hamilton Beach is a lower-cost brand that packs some serious value, albeit it with a few minor quirks. For starters, you get up to 6 quarts of capacity in this bad boy, but that does come in a mildly imperfect pot. The stoneware seems to have been glazed improperly, on more models than just ours. Many users report little nicks and bumps in the pot, which doesn't sound too bad. But if you're stirring with a metal spoon, you don't want to chip off a bit of porcelain in your dish. The interactive LED display on the front lets you know the internal temperature when you prod it with the included, patented thermometer, and comes with other programmable features. When it comes to the locking gasket lid, whether it's for transit or retaining heat, this thing is the real deal. In total, you're going to get about 2 years of steady, heavy use out of this. Infrequent use will save you some of that time. The best key features are: 6-quart capacity. Stainless steel and durable, heat-resistant ABS plastic construction. Includes temperature probe with purchase. 4. Crock-Pot N-Carry 6-quart model. The ones who started it all, Crock-Pot keeps true to their initial mission from day one. For starters, your stoneware is opted to go up to 450 F in the oven, if you're low on pans and in a pinch. When it comes to the slow cooker base itself, it's only fitted for 4 settings: off, low, medium, and high. While that may be enough for some, when you look at all these programmable models with timers and additional functions, it falls short. For the long-term use and longevity of Crock-Pot, the value and quality just can't be denied. As a word of caution, the lid can't go in the dishwasher. Well, it can, but water will get stuck between the top handle and the glass, and the metal rim surrounding the edges will distort and warp after a few uses. The sturdy ABS plastic handles make this quick to carry to and from functions. So you won't be caught last minute without bringing something along. Overall, the price is what really grabs you, and holds onto you tight. Cheap, durable, and from a brand name that everyone's owned at one point or another, a clear choice. The best key features are: gasket lock for pressure on lid. 1-year limited warranty. Stoneware is oven safe for up to 450 F. 5. Coracii 6 quarts programmable slow cooker. Coracii made this high-end slow cooker with so many programmable features. You'd think it could do flips and tricks. Starting out, you get 11 total functions, making this far more than a slow cooker. As a result, you also see that reflected in the price. While the tag doesn't have us too happy, the stainless steel exterior and delay program does. Set this to start up to 24 hours away, giving you a nice home-cooked meal when you return from that string of graveyard shifts. If that isn't enough, it also comes with an automatic shut-off feature. Hitting your favorite restaurant with your mates? Unexpected night out? Don't rush home because you left the slower cooker on. With all those goodies, there's still a bit of an issue with the pot itself. It's got a non-stick coating, and you have to be very careful when cleaning it to maintain its integrity. High-end, multifunction, it's just what you've been waiting for. If you plan on making some meat in this cooker, make sure you use one of the meat cleavers from our list, to make your cooking easier. The best key features are: 11 in 1 unit. Stainless steel exterior. BPA-free, FDA approved.